What if you can make money by posting comments on Facebook? I will tell you that that is possible, but you have to utilize a special system. And this system that I'm talking about today is called Comment Dominator Pro. It is something that comes with something called Megalink by Wayne Crow of OLSP. OLSP stands for One Lead System Pixel. And then also what you'll get with Megalink is Facebook 101 training, which is a way to build up your social media presence and of course get more traffic, get more people on your profile, on your post, and then also promote offers. And that's how you can make money through Facebook. This training can be applied to just about any business. It's not just focused on OLSP. You'll learn a lot from it. And then also, if you want something to promote, you can promote Megalink. And Megalink is a system that will start you off in this affiliate journey. It is an all-in-one ecosystem that has the ability to give you the link that you promote called an affiliate link. It has a system for tracking how many people are viewing and also signing up as leads, and then also your sales. And then one thing that's special about this is that all this comes in a package for only $7. So let me explain how CD Pro works. So CD Pro is a tool that manages two sides. One side consists of marketers that have purchased this system, and then they want people to engage with their post. And by engage, I mean commenting on the post. And so someone like myself will tell the system, here's the post in Facebook that I want people to comment on. I will pay for credits. And then on the other side, people will see a list of posts that are going through this system that have been approved. And once they see that post, all they have to do is comment and then copy their comment, put it in the system so someone can verify that you actually made a real comment. And then that's when you make money. So the interface looks like this right here. It says, click on the view link to view a post to comment on. So if there are posts available, you'll see it below. Make your comment under the post and then click on the comment link for the post and submit the comment you made for approval. So somebody is going to review your comment. So you got to make sure that if you want to get paid, you got to make sure that you're telling the truth and you put a comment, a copy of your comment in the system. And then once that's verified, then you get paid. So this system, as I mentioned, it works two ways. And what I was showing here is a price list for people that want to pay for engagement. So for me, I bought this 50 credit pack when I started. So I got this, and then this will allow me to get 50 comments. And so that's pretty much it in a nutshell of how it works. Let me show you some examples of what people are making. So this is from the public group, and it is something that shows that a person made 150 comments, and then from CD Pro they made $34. Here's another one where somebody just started out and they made 13 comments and they made $1.50. And then here's another one where they made $10.25 by commenting, and you can see the transaction type is commenting. So this is just to show that this system does work. If you are in a tier 1 country, this might not seem like a lot. However, just think about this. It's like, how long does it take to actually put comments in the system? And if you just do 4, that's enough to buy, like, let's say a soda or something like that. It's not a lot in a tier 1 country, but I can tell you that in a tier 3, tier 2 country, it can be a lot. I've gone to tier 3 countries where the pay monthly was like less than $30 in a month. So for somebody that is making this kind of income right here, it is something that can be a job replacer. It might not be like that in Silicon Valley where I live, but in other parts of the world, it is something beneficial. And so for people to actually see the benefit in this, and then like let's say promote it to others where they could promote the Megalink, they could promote this system to others. Think about it. If there are people in a tier 2, tier 3 country, and then they have other people that they promoted to in the US or in the UK, it's actually a very good way for them to build another way of making money, even beyond comments. So that is through affiliate marketing, and there's actually some very good money to be made just by doing that. So just wanted to show you the system of how CD Pro works. Again, once comments show up, you can view, and my recommendation is that once a comment does show up, do not wait, because as I mentioned, it's not infinite. People have to pay for credits, meaning that it's finite. There's a limit. So you gotta post a comment before somebody else does. And then once you make your comment, again, copy your comment, put it in the system, submit it, and then from there, once it's verified, then you can receive commissions. So if you want to get started in CD Pro, the person that is showing you this video will most likely provide you with their affiliate link. Just make sure that you click on that link, whether it's me or the person that's showing you this video, and then sign up. It's $7. Again, you'll get access to CD Pro, you'll get access to MegaLink, and then you'll be able to get trained on how to get traffic from Facebook and a lot more. I think it's extreme value for $7, including the bonuses that come with it. You'll be able to see a lot of the bonuses and also see a lot of the other people that have greatly benefited from promoting MegaLink. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.